Hey, what's up, Tesla fans and future truck owners? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the latest and greatest from Tesla, the 2025 Cybertruck. This isn't just a truck, it's a revolution on wheels. Buckle up as we explore the insane features, cutting-edge technology, and everything you need to know about this futuristic beast. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Cybertruck stays true to its iconic, angular look, but with some sleek updates. The stainless steel exoskeleton is not only ultra-durable, but also gives it that distinctive, futuristic vibe. And those sharp lines, they're not just for show, they enhance the truck's aerodynamics, making it more efficient and quicker on the road. Check out these stunning LED lights. The new lighting system isn't just brighter, it's smarter. The adaptive headlights automatically adjust based on your surroundings. And let's not forget the wheels and suspension. The 2025 Cybertruck comes with new rugged tires designed to handle any terrain you throw at them. Plus, the adjustable air suspension gives you the flexibility to raise or lower the vehicle. Perfect for off-road adventures or just getting in and out more easily. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious, ultra-modern interior. The 2025 model offers even more legroom and headroom, making it comfortable for all passengers. And check out that massive 17-inch touchscreen. It's the command center for all your driving and entertainment needs, featuring Tesla's latest software updates and an upgraded user interface, safety and tech. The 2025 Cybertruck has you covered. With the latest version of Tesla's autopilot, this truck offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities that are smoother and smarter than ever. Plus, with features like 360-degree cameras, advanced collision detection, and automatic emergency braking, you're in safe hands under the hood, or rather under the body. This Cybertruck packs serious power. The top-end model boasts a tri-motor setup, delivering incredible torque and acceleration. We're talking 0 to 60 mph in under 2.9 seconds, and the range? Up to 500 miles on a single charge, making it one of the most efficient electric trucks on the market. But it's not just about speed and range. The 2025 Cybertruck is built for utility. With a towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds and a payload capacity of 3,500 pounds, this truck can handle just about anything. So there you have it, folks. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is not just a glimpse into the future. It's here and ready to redefine what a truck can be.